Hey. Okay, so we were trying to make this Play-Doh thing.
And mine's ruined because her fault. It's her fault.
Okay, so
It looks so weird.
hers turned out like that, and
I'm gonna put it on your face.
okay, and mine is like, if you're like Mexican, you know this like masa, because that's what basically we use. We use all-purpose flour, salt, and
Vegetable oil.
yeah, that thing, and some water.
Stop showing what you don't have. You bitch! She used steps on my baby. Not my baby. I mean my poopy.
Your poopy, your poopy. Your poopy. Pendeja.
Prostituta.
Perra.
Zorra.
Tonta.
Estúpida.
Puta.
I just said that!
Ow. Ow. Yes, that's all. Flip, flip, flip.
Wait, look at my. Look at.
Stop! Here, maybe if we mix it with mine, it'll get better.
Really? Put it in there.
Never mind, I'm good.
No! Oh, there's some on your face.
No, I'm not showing that.
No, don't. Okay, stop. Oh my god, look what you did to my face. Stop.
Well, it looks better than it did before. I'm kidding.
She's just jealous because even if I'm like this, I'm like beautiful.
No, I get to do it. Come here.
Why don't you come here?
I don't want to go over there.
Well, I don't want to go over there.
Then your puppy gets it.
No, get out.
Your gonna get so pissed. You put some in my mouth.
No. Really? Stop. Stop. Fierce. Wait. Fierce. You feel weird. Okay, stop. You're. Please.
We should clean up before your mom gets home.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you ruined my Play-Doh.
You're the one that touched mine.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You're the one that slapped me with Play-Doh on my face.
You stopped it too.
You totally ruined it. Look at it.
You're welcome.
Well, now you can have it.
I ruined it.
We should clean up. Come on, let's clean up.
Now, trick time.
Who's gonna pause it?
I'll pause it.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. What are we supposed to do now? Okay, I'll try pausing it. Oh, oops, low battery.
No,
oh, yeah.